Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Vmware Tools is installed because it provides drivers and network stability. Then, with the VM running, check whether VMware is using NAT or bridged networking. This determines how the VM gets an IP. Once done, open Mac OS System Preferences, select Network, and note the current interface and IP address. This helps you spot changes. If no IP appears, toggle the VMware adapter off and on to force a renewal and observe the Mac OS status. You now tackle deeper issues. Open the VMware Virtual Network Editor and reset the NAT and bridged configurations. This repairs mismapped virtual adapters. Next, in Mac OS Network Settings, click Advanced and renew the DHCP lease. This often corrects IP conflicts. Make sure to disable IP6 temporarily if your environment doesn't support it, because mismatched stacks can block traffic. Also, turn off Mac OS Firewall and any proxy settings while testing to determine whether local protections are You finish by restarting the VM and, if necessary, restarting host networking services so all changes take effect. Then test connectivity with ping 8 to verify IP layer access, and ping Apple. COM to confirm DNS resolution. This helps isolate the problem. If issues persist, change the VM adapter type between E1000 and VMXNet3, collect VMware and Mac OS network logs, and recheck settings. This one key troubleshooting step exposes driver or configuration mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.